Today we will consider one of the magic methods. This is call method. Let's start. Let's create a simple class, for example, the cat class. Let's add two methods to the class describing the object's behavior. In our case, the description of the behavior of the cat. The cat can eat and sleep. Our methods will not return anything, only display messages. Therefore, we indicate the void. Our class is ready. Let's create an object of this class and call these methods. Let's run our script and see the result. Great, everything is working. Let's add the call magic method to our class. The call method takes two parameters. The first parameter of the type string is the method's name. The second parameter of the type array is the method's parameters. Let's make a message output and these two parameters inside the method. Let's run our script and see the result. Nothing has changed. Now let's try to call a non-existent object method. Let's run our script and see the result. We see that the call method has been called. So the call magic method is called when we try to call a non-existent, private or protected method. Let's make one method private, for example, the sleep method. Let's run our script and see the result. You see, the call method was called on a non-existent and private method. So it is all about magic call method. Fine, but a question may arise. Where can it be applied in practice? I will give one example. Let's say you have an API with a set of methods. A user of your API may specify a method that doesn't exist and you want to show them an understandable error. Let's run our script and see the result. I hope this was helpful to you. See you in other videos.